Yeah, and you have to know what you see on Zoom and like say yeah. Oh, you definitely.
On your table, and it's all about sharing, and because this event's all about women. And from that I decided to completely 100% self-fund it till literally end of last year, where we just funded for a valuation of over 6 million, and those investors have come back and said, actually, can we buy the company? And we said no. So that's probably one of my big challenges.
Good one.
Yeah.
I'd say one of the biggest challenges has been moving from a full-time, very kind of vocational career over to self-employment and working within like in an isolated way. That's been quite a big challenge, especially because of my work is so focused around building teams and working towards other people's strengths. So that's been quite challenging.
Because they saw me and they thought, okay, well, she doesn't really know what she's talking about, and it was almost like trying to convince them that, you know what, I do know what I'm talking about, and trying to explain to them, look, I have got the corporate background and I do have a certain retail channels that are interested in the product.
Better than you were yesterday. Stop comparing yourself. I used to compare myself on Instagram, for example, against someone's journey that they might have been doing it for 5 years, and it was comparing it to them then, even though I was just starting out, and I needed to understand that no, that wasn't what I needed to